How are you?
I am fine. How about you?
Long time no see. Where were you?
I was busy with work.
What are you doing these days?
I am working on a new project.
How's your day going?
It's going great.
Are you free today?
Yes, I am free.
Do you want to hang out?
Yes, sure.
Where should we go?
Let's go to a cafe.
What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 6 p.m.
What would you like to eat?
I would like a burger.
Do you still live in the same place?
Yes, I do.
Can we meet again soon?
Of course.
It was nice meeting you.
Same here. See you soon.